how to buy mai ger token. So this token came under the symbol of MEG. Now, before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. And don't forget to check their community on X. As you can see, they have 337 members there. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 9 hours ago and increased by 400% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token trending number 5 in this Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your fund wallet for that, as you can see. After that, click here on swap. Now, make sure to select the Solana from the top. Now, from the bottom, click here and paste token address in search bar. As you can see, this also can click on it and now click on I understand. Now, here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see. And now this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, scroll down a little bit and you will be able to find swap here. Click on it. And after that, you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter or OKX provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy mai token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.